Welcome to the eSpark Tools Spotlight series. In this video, we will be reviewing the Individual Mastery Report. The Individual Mastery Report shows each quest and assignment that a student has worked on. It displays the date assigned and completed, with growth between multiple attempts on a specific skill, and it provides assessment data for post-quiz and student video recordings. This report is most easily found through the weekly activity report. So in our teacher dashboard, from our weekly activity report underneath the Student Reports drop-down menu, we can click on any of our students' blue name, and this will allow us to access their individual mastery report. From the Individual Mastery Report, you can then find the drop-down of all your students to easily click through and see each one. You can filter between reading or math, and you can choose to show just quests, just assignments, or all things completed in eSpark. You can print this report for both just your individual students or the reading report for the whole class, and then same with printing for math. It also provides what grade level your student is working at in their adaptive pathway, and gives you the option to change their reading level manually if it feels like it is too easy or too hard for your students. As we scroll down, we can see the specific skill that my students are working on. If it's completed, in progress, I can click to see that assignment. I can preview the quiz that my students are going to receive and see completed work and the scores that they have as well. You can filter by assigned, completed, skill, and score within this report as well. Some strategies you can use for the Individual Mastery Report is to print or share for family teacher conferences or during IEP meetings to monitor progress. You can use it to adjust a student's level on the adaptive pathway, and sort by score, skill, or date to identify performance trends and see grade level progress throughout the year. Thanks so much for watching this video on the Individual Mastery Report. Happy eSparking!